Connecting with friends and family in today's high-tech world seems easy. Emails, social media, cell phones. But imagine you need to connect with hundreds or even thousands of people instantly with an important single message. In the message, each recipient is informed of the current situation and advised to act accordingly. Whether at a hotel, campus, or industrial factory, the message can be received inside or outside of the facility via email, social networking systems, phone, fax, digital signage, or intercoms and loudspeakers. This is the latest network-centric mass notification system designed to distribute messages across an array of channels instantly, and now even more cost-effective. For more information on mass notification and emergency alert systems, visit massnotification.co. Control your situation.